Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify a LinkedIn account. Let's get started. So, once you've logged into your LinkedIn account, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Me drop-down option at the top, and then you're going to press View Profile. And what you'll notice is that if you go to your name, there's something that appears next to it which says Verify Now. So we're going to click on that. It'll say, claim your badge for free by verifying any of the options below. Verified members get 60% more profile views on average. So now we have two ways of verifying our identity. Verify your workplace as Upwork, verify your identity with Persona. So I'm going to start with Upwork. Now it says, get verified using your Upwork email. So now you need to enter your Upwork email only and then press next, and then they're going to send you a 6-digit code. So now we're going to go back. And what you notice here is that it says it takes 2 minutes to finish. And now we're going to do the other one, which says verify your identity with Persona. So for this process, you're going to need your mobile device, and this is very important here. The LinkedIn app is required. Download the LinkedIn app. So you're going to press on the link here to get the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. And then the directions, number 1, open the camera app on your phone, scan the QR code to the left, follow the steps on your phone. So what this basically does is it's going to scan your face using your mobile device to see if your face matches with the picture in your LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.